Today I'll teach you the A1 Greek phonology, double vowels part 1. Today we are going to see the double vowels. In Greek, we have some vowels that when we put them together, they make a different sound. It's a vowel combination. Let's see them together. Alpha, iota. They will make the sound E like egg, melon. And here we have ne, which means yes, kalokeri, summer. The mythology of the word kalokeri is kalos, means good, and keros means weather. So it's a good weather. Epsilon, iota, they will make the sound E like in, drink. And here we have ime, I am, εκεί, there. Omicron, iota, they will make the sound E like in, drink. And here we have οικονομία, economy, οικολογία, ecology. Omicron, ypsilon. They will make the sound U or U like music, zoo, school. And here we have ouzo, Greek drink, musiki, music. In this lesson, we saw 2 extra I. We have 3 in the Greek alphabet, so in Greek language we have 5 I. Let's see them. Iota, ιστορία, ήτα, μητέρα, ύψιλον, υπόθεση, έψιλον, ιώτα, εκεί, όμικρον, ιώτα, οικονομία. Also, we have 1 extra A. We have 1 in the Greek alphabet. So, in the Greek language, we have 2 A. Examples: epsilon, έλα, alpha, iota, ne. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. See you soon. Bye.